In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Elementor. Whether you're sprucing up your website, guiding visitors to specific actions, or simply adding a touch of interactivity, buttons are a crucial feature. So, let's dive into the process of adding a button and making sure it stands out on your page. First things first, you'll want to open your Elementor editor. If you're not familiar yet, Elementor is a fantastic page builder with an intuitive drag and drop interface, making it easy even for beginners to create something beautiful. Locate and click on the page where you'd like to add your new button. Once the page is open, you're ready to start editing. Look at the sidebar on the left. This is where all the magic happens. In this sidebar, you'll see a panel filled with a variety of element options. Search for the button option in this panel. If you need help finding it immediately, just type button into the search bar at the top. This search feature is a real time saver. Once you spot the button element, simply click and drag it onto your page. Now, here's where the creative part begins. With your button now on the page, take a look at the Content tab in the sidebar. This is where you can start customizing your button. You'll want to enter the text that will appear on your button. Choose something attention-grabbing, yet straightforward, often a verb that entices action like learn more, shop now, or contact us. These words are not just filler, they guide your visitor and enhance user engagement. Beneath the text field, you'll find a spot to add a link. This is crucial as it determines exactly where people will go when they click your button. Whether it's directing them to another part of your website, an external page, or a document download, ensure the URL is correct. If you don't want to navigate away from the current page, flip the switch to open the link in a new window. Now, let's move on to styling your button. Across the top of the sidebar, you'll see 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Click on the Style tab. Here, you can adjust the appearance of your button, such as changing the typography, adjusting the text size, and even selecting a vibrant color scheme that aligns with your branding. A visually appealing button can be a subtle nudge in the right direction, leading visitors exactly where you want them. If you like to add some extra spacing around your button or create unique hover effects, head over to the Advanced tab. This section offers more control over margins, padding, and other effects, giving your button that extra touch of polish. Once you're satisfied with your creation, don't forget to save your changes. Hit the Update button on the bottom left of the Elementor panel, ensuring all your hard work is safely stored. And there you have it, a fully functional, eye-catching button ready to guide your visitors. That's it for adding a button in Elementor. With practice, you'll find endless possibilities for customization and creativity within this tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.